Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 21 on the topic solution. Let's move on to the assignment. So here the first question, azeotropic mixers are. So before going to the question, what is azeotropic mixers? See, azeotropic azeotropic, it's a Greek word. In this, A means no, geo indicates the boil, and tropic means change. So the mixer which has contained the same boiling points, for example there are two liquids in a mixture. So both the liquids, after mixing both the liquids, the boiling point of the solution is same. That means the liquid should contain the similar boiling points. So those kind of liquids we cannot separate by normal distillation. So these kind of liquids are called as constant boiling mixers. These kind of mixers are called as constant boiling mixers. So azeotropic mixers are generally constant boiling mixers. So the correct option is fourth option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the second question. Ideal solution is formed when it components. So generally, a ideal solution has 0 in change in enthalpy. The mixing of change in enthalpy is 0. That is delta H mix. Delta H mix equal to 0, as well as the change in volume mixing also 0. So that means delta V mix also 0 for an ideal solution. So they have 0 volume change mixing and they have 0 change in enthalpy mixing. So here the correct option is have 0 volume change on mixing. So ideal solution is formed when its components have 0 enthalpy change mixing, at the same time 0 volume change mixing. So they have given only one change, that is have 0 volume change mixing only. So the correct option is second option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the third question. So which of the following is not correct for an ideal solution? So just now we have discussed, for ideal solution the change in enthalpy mix is 0. That is delta H mix equal to 0, and change in volume, that is also 0. Delta V mix is 0, and they obey, the ideal solutions obeys the Raoult's law at any range of concentration. They can obey the Raoult's law at any range of concentration and any range of temperature. So the correct options, the first option is also right, and this delta H mix equal to 0, that is also correct, and the third option delta V mix equal to 0. So we can eliminate these three options. The remaining option is fourth option, which is incorrect, right? So which of the following is not correct for the ideal solution? That one is the very show the positive or negative deviation from the Raoult's law. Ideal solution does not show any deviation in the Raoult's law. So the correct option is fourth option. The correct option is fourth option here. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. So here the fourth question, an azeotropic mixture of two liquids boiled at lower temperature than either them of when. So whenever a azeotropic mixture, what is azeotropic mixture? So two liquids have same boiling points in a mixture, right? So when they have, what is that? Two liquids boil at lower temperature. So lower temperature means the vapor pressure is greater than the ideal solution vapor pressure. So what happens when the vapor pressure is greater than the ideal solution vapor pressure? It shows the positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Positive deviation from the Raoult's law, because the vapor pressure of the liquid azeotropic mixture is greater than at certain temperature than ideal solution. So the correct option is the fourth option, which is it shows the positive deviation from the Raoult's law. So the fourth option is the correct option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the fifth question, a solution of sulfuric acid in water exhibits, right? So whenever a sulfuric acid added in water, it will dissociate into ions. For example, see, H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid. So when you add in water, what will happen? It will dissociate into ions H plus HSO4 minus. HSO4 minus. These two ions are the non-volatile ions. These two ions are non-volatile ions. So these have the greater interaction with the water. These have the greater interaction with the water, then the vapor pressure is decreases. Vapor pressure is decreases than the ideal solution. So that is why these H2SO4 in water exhibits the negative deviation from the Raoult's law. Negative deviation from the Raoult's law. So the correct option is the first option. The solution of sulfuric acid in water exhibits the negative deviation from the Raoult's law because it can produce the non-volatile ions which has the greater interaction with water and have the lesser vapor pressure than ideal solution. So this is the correct option. The first option is the correct option. Clear? So with this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.